Daalụ gị onye ọma njem ọnụ. Eji m n'aka na ịdị mma. Nnọọ n'ụbọchị taa. You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're fine. Ị bụrụ nwata Igbo sụba asụsụ Igbo, Igbo amaka. Ị bụrụ nwata Igbo sụba asụsụ Igbo, Igbo amaka. Nnọọ n'ụbọchị taa n'ịmụ asụsụ Igbo. Learning Igbo language with Adi Igbo. Kedu ka ị mere? If today is your first time of seeing this video, please kindly subscribe to this channel. You are welcome. In today's edition, I'm going to teach you sweet Igbo names. Igbo names. Aha Igbo dị iche iche na-atọ ụtọ. Dịka na ịmụọ nwa cheba ya aha. If you want to name your child, you won't run around looking for how to name the child. I came in contact with one sweet name, and that made me to decide to make this video to excite you. In case if you love the name, yes, you will give it to your child. Zim ihe kachim. Zim ihe kachim. That's in short, Zimi. Zim. Zim ihe kachim. Mma m na-like aha Igbo. Enwere ọtụtụ ndị Igbo na-atọ ụtọ, mana nke mmenye gị n'ụbọchị taa dị very very unique. That is, you will love it. Ugomsinachim. Ugomsinachim. My glory is from the Lord. Zim ihe kachim. Show me who is greater than my God. I know you love the name Zimi. Ugom. Then the next sweet Igbo name you will love to give to your child. Ezemaramma. Ezemaramma. My God is good, or my King is good. Yeah, I know you love these sweet names. Onye dekachi. Who is like God? Onye dekachi. Onye dekachi. Chimnedu. God is the owner of life. Chimnedu. God is the owner of life. Chinyerem. God is the giver. Chinyerem. God is the giver. Chisomaga. Chisomaga. God follows me anywhere I go. You know He's with us anywhere, anytime. Chisomaga. That is Chisom in short form. Chisom. I hope you understand it. Chimamaka My. Chimamaka My. That is Chiamaka in short form. That's Chimamaka My. That is how I love to call it. Chimamaka My. Some people call it Amaka in short form. But more, I prefer it Chimamaka My. I hope you're enjoying these sweet names. Call the one you want to call. But I'm showing you this sweet one. I don't know whether you've come encounter or you think of what to give to your child. Just reason with me. Mmasinachi. Mmasinachi. Beauty is from God. Beauty is from God. Masichukwu. The will of God. Masichukwu. Masichukwu. The will of God. Chukwunonso. My God is close to me. Chimnonso or chukwunonso. Chinonso. God is close. Hello. Chukwuemeka. Chukwuemeka. God has done good thing. Chukwuemeka. Chimnedu. Chinedu. Chimnedu. My God leads me. My God leads me. Chinedu. Hello. Reason with me. I know you want to give your child one of these names, but the sweetest among them all is Zimi Hekachim. Zimi Ihekachim. I know you love that one. Eh? Unlike Chimamanda. Amanda. My God will not fail me. Chimamanda. Yes, Chimamanda. My God will never, never, never fail. Short form, Amanda. Amanda. Yeah. I hope you are loving these names. And the next time you give birth to a baby, you will consider one of those. Thank you for watching this video. Bye. See you next time. In case, if today is your first time encountering this video, please do not forget to subscribe. Appreciate you much. Like, share, and comment. Bye.